Don't miss a beat, join the notification squad by clicking that bell. You'll get notified every time I upload a video, and be sure to join our Discord to talk and get help with your code. Hey everybody, we'd just like to take a moment to thank the guys over at SkySilk who made this video possible. SkySilk is a Linux-based cloud hosting platform built for developers with plans starting at just $2 a month, and they're currently giving every new sign-up a free $100 credit to try out the platform for 60 days. You can get started in just a few clicks over at skysilk.com.
Hey, what's up guys, welcome to episode 5 of the Git series, and today I'm gonna show you how to create branches, merge them and delete them. So let's get started. Go to your repository, local repository, and open your terminal. I have mine right here. So the first command to create a branch is, well, I want to tell you something first. Let me create this. We are now in the master branch, so this in blue is the current branch we're in. So to create a new branch, just type git checkout -b, and the branch name here I'm gonna call it hello. Type enter, and you're gonna see that your branch now got changed to the one we created. If you want to create a branch and go inside the branch, just type git branch, and the name here I'm gonna call it test. Type enter, and if you type git branch, you're gonna see that all the three branches are there: the master branch, the hello branch, and the test branch. So if you want to change my branches, you can type git checkout, and this time we're not gonna use --b. We're going to use the branch name. So if you wanna go to test, just type test, hit enter, and you're gonna see that your branch is now the test branch. If you wanna go back, just type a dash, hit enter, and you're going to the branch you were before. Okay, so I have changed this test file and committed the changes, so it's saved in the branch. So now if we remember this text, if we change branches, so let's go to master branch, master, type enter. If we close this and reopen it, you're gonna see that the test has changed. Okay, so I'm back to the hello branch, and if I want to get this change merged into the master branch, we just gotta type git checkout master. So we have to go to the master branch, and you're gonna see that I haven't merged anything yet. So if we type git merge and the branch we wanna merge, which in this case is hello, just type enter, you're gonna see that it's gonna say that one file has changed. And if I go here, you're gonna see that the changes were merged. Now remember that branch we have here, the test branch. I kinda don't need it right here, so I'm just going to delete it. And to delete it, you're gonna type git branch -d, capital D, and the branch name, which is test. Type enter, and you're gonna see that it's deleted branch test. So if we type git branch, you're gonna see that there's just hello and master. Also, one thing, if there's an asterisk and after the branch, that means that you are on that branch, just so if you didn't notice. Okay, so remember that last episode I taught you how to push changes to a remote repository. So right now I'm gonna show you how to push a branch, a separate branch, not just the master branch. It's gonna be the same thing, so I'm just gonna teach you anyways. So if you are just gonna type git push origin and the new branch, which is hello, just type and just hit enter, you're gonna see that if we go to our repository, you're gonna see that there's a new branch here, which is able to merge the master branch. If we reload, you click here and you're gonna see the hello branch here. Okay, so if you wanna push all the branches to GitHub, and because you don't wanna type like git push origin master, then origin hello, then the other branch, you can just type git push, then here dash dash o and the remote repository name, hit enter, and you're gonna see that the both of my branches are gonna get pushed, and you're gonna see it here. Let's go to GitHub, refresh, and click here. You're gonna see the branch got both branches got pushed with the changes. That is it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, just join our Discord, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow with the next episode.